Laris, a model, and an endorsement. Okay? Now, give me a warm round of applause for John Ivan Gompo. Alright. There you go. Okay. Now. Alright, do you want to have a little... Hello. Okay. Do you have any message for everyone here tonight?
Hello and hello.
Okay. Alright, so maybe everyone can hear you then. Okay.
Again, what's this question?
Okay, do you have any message for everyone here tonight?
First of all, I believe time is the most expensive thing in the world. So thank you so much for coming here tonight. I really appreciate you guys for coming here, and thank you so much for accepting the invitations regarding the meet and greet and also this press conference. Having an interest to get to know me better. That will be all. Thank you.
Alright, let's give it a round of applause. There you go. Alright, so before we're going to start right here, before our questions, I would like to recognize our visitors for tonight. One of them is, I would say, academic director of Delta School, and one of the Delta School, yung kasamahan ko, yung Miss Delta ako. And I would like to recognize the academic director of Delta School, Miss Mary Ford. Can you say hello to everyone? Yes? There you go. Thank you so much. Alright, and for the rest of the Delta School as well, thank you so much for coming. And also, I would like to recognize our SC Productions. And Mr. Matthew Casal and Mr. Bernard Vidal. Can you please stand up and yes? Very good. Thank you so much. Alright. Now, we also want to recognize one of our press con as well, one of the people as well. We have Orion Oz. Alright? This is Orion Oz. And Patrick Laco as well. Let's give a round of applause as well. Alright? So what is we're going to start our press con, our questions. Alright? So we can start with Mr. Orion Oz. Any questions for Mr. John?
Ay, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Good evening, John. Thank you for the invitation to us. My question is, why did you choose pageantry? You've been modeling, right? Now it's pageantry. Why pageantry?
All of us always conquer our dreams and goals. All of us have another step in their lives for them to tell that they have reached their peak of their success. In terms of success, we have our own definition of success. I switched and joined pageantry from modeling because I want to prove something of myself and make myself less an instrument, especially upon being an advocate of mental health awareness. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, okay. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, so how about from Mr. Pageant? Any questions for Mr. John?
Hi, Mr. John. Good evening. Can you tell us more about yourself? Kwentuhan mo naman kami ng childhood mo.
Tell more about myself, about my childhood. I'm an only child. Hello? Right now I'm 25 years old and I grew up alone because I'm an only child. But then, even though I'm an only child, all the credits, my knowledge, my wisdom, and my manners, my discipline, being empathetic, being passionate people, goes to my mom and my father. They're all the reason who I am right now. They're all the reason who is John F. and Gompo right now. And even though my childhood I was always being alone, I tried myself to be open to people, to be open-minded, to learn everything that a man must learn upon reaching his own definition of success as he goes through venturing the world in every industry and every human endeavor. Thank you, Mr. President.
Okay. You grew up in the Philippines and suddenly moving here in Saudi Arabia. Kumusta yung adjustment? Naging madali lang ba yun?
Moving here in Saudi Arabia is hindi siya naging madali. Yes, and why? Because I got here to Saudi Arabia to be an overseas Filipino worker, not just to enjoy. Yes, I got here in Saudi Arabia as a tourist, but then I was venturing and hoping that I would have a job myself and also to support my family.
Okay.
There's a culture shock, but then as us Filipinos are very resilient and we are very open-minded to each one of the cultures we are encountering in our lives when we venture our lives. So yes, it is hard, really, really hard.
How are you going to differentiate the culture of the Philippines compared to Saudi Arabia?
Right now, growing up as a Gen Z, there are a lot of differences because right now, Philippines is very open-minded. And even though Saudi Arabia is becoming an open country right now, there are some specific things we should consider because Saudi Arabia became a country according to its religion. The same as the Philippines, but then we will be venturing, I believe Saudi Arabia will be venturing upon its growth and progress.
Okay, so you are joining the CDCM calendar models of 2025. How's your journey here so far?
My journey in the Christian calendar models season 5 is really, really fantastic. I got to explore my abilities, my skills, what can I do more, what does John Evan Taupo can do more. And the productions has been fantastic and very mindful to their candidates, as we also have been given a lot of opportunities to learn and question ourselves, what can we do more in terms of trainings as well, how could we walk in the stage upon this coming coronation night.
Okay, joining this pageant, who do you think is your top competitor in this competition?
Thank you so much for that very, very enthusiastic question. Honestly, I do not look at the other candidates. I do my own trainings. I make myself fully furnished and equipped with knowledges. How could I answer the question and answer portion? How could I walk flawlessly on the stage in each and every segment? I'm only focusing on myself. What can I do more, and what can I offer to the crowd, to the organization, to the youth, and to the world as well.
So what do you think is your edge with other candidates?
My edge with the other candidates is the uniqueness of John Evan Taupo. He's being courageous, empathetic, hardworking, reliable, and his own unique set of leadership skills. And I believe this set of skills will help him venture as he wants to be an instrument himself upon being an advocate of the mental health awareness.
Okay, do you have any causes or charity that you are supporting?
Currently, we're looking as an advocate of mental health awareness. Currently, we're looking to venture out in the Bahay Kalinga and give encourageness and help to those who are distressed or with WUs right now. We are looking forward to that.
So why did you choose Bahay Kalinga and mental health issues?
I chose mental health issues as correlated to your earlier question. You told me, how was I when I was a child?
Okay.
As I have told you, I grew up alone. I was an only child, so I had to teach most of the percentage of my knowledge myself because my family is really away from me. And I believe it is the same concept of these overseas Filipino workers, that they are really away from their family. So I would like to encourage them, give them hope that each and every modern adversities that may come in their life, they will overcome through it in every aspect they are looking forward to have in their life.
Okay, so my last question for you is, why should you be the next CDCM calendar model of 2025?
I should be the next Christian Duff Calendar Models Season 5 title is because I believe I can offer a lot in terms of sets of skills to be a public figure, to be an instrument and influence the whole world upon being an advocate of the mental health awareness. And I believe with an unmatched perspicacity coupled with sheer indefatigability makes a human persistent to any human endeavor that we all think.
Okay, thank you so much.
Alright, maraming salamat po kami natin po. And of course, well said, John Evan, okay? So, anyone who wants to ask our candidate number 11, anyone have any questions? Bago tayo mag-move sa ating next na segment. Anyone wants to ask any questions? Alright? We can take it from one of our visitors. Okay? Maybe Sir Rani has some questions perhaps. Okay? Alright, mga comments, Sir Rani. Okay? So, Rani, some question lang po. Alright? Okay. Sir John. Okay. Any questions po?
Hi, Evan. Tanong ko dito ni Girl, sabi ko, are you single now?
Ay! Okay, so
Okay, good question.
single ka ba?
Yes, I'm single.
Ako naman. Ganda question yan, ha? Okay, so last question. Okay, maybe Miss Manny has a question for Evan. John.
Yes, hi, John. Good evening. My question is, what are your strengths and your weaknesses, and how will you improve your weaknesses to become a better person?
Thank you so much, Miss Mary, for that
Hello.
Thank you so much, Miss Mary, for that very vengeful question. My strength is my communication skills, my leadership skills. I have been a founder and the president of a small organization, Motorcycle Club at Philippines. And then my weaknesses would be my too much caring heart. Too much caring heart. Yes, my weakness is my too much caring heart.
But I think it's still positive. This one.
It's because most of the time I base my actions upon my feelings. That we all think.
Alright, palakpakan pa natin. Thank you, Miss Mary. Thank you, Sir Rani Pasano for their questions. Also, Mr. Paget, and also Mr. Rani. Okay, so ito na ang hinihintay na lahat. Okay, pwede ko natin pagkakaman ulit si John Evan Ayan. Ating ang bago for CDCM Season 5. Okay, so ito na yung hinihintay ng lahat. Ay, kumain po tayo. Hindi pa totoo ko yun. So, if everyone is ready, our food is ready over there, and I think everyone is also hungry. So, let's go set up po, and let's go please. Alright. Maraming salamat po ulit. Palakpakan ulit. For John Evan. Okay. Ha? Talent?
Talent.
Talent show? Okay. Parang ka ba? Oo, sabi naman natin yung talent. No. Okay, request yung CEO eh. Bakit na tayo kumain? Sige, pakitaan mo na natin si Sir John and Ron. Okay, palakpakan po ulit natin. Let's go! Alright.
As an acapella,
Sample. Sample na yan.
O, serenade kay Madam.
actually, talagang as in literally usado. But yes, I do sing. But since we agreed on acapella, I will only sing the chorus, okay? First time go.
Woo! Good job!
Hello, hello. Wise man say only
Nailang kayo.
Parang sa
Byway.
I can help falling in love
Kinilig ka naman.
Parang mas kinilig mo si Sir, no? Oo. Sino? Si Miss Anna. Ay, wala. Okay. Any comments po dun sa yung album ni John? Ang laki ng voice.
The voice is so great. It was so good. And yeah, it really seemed that he has some good skills. That's what I mentioned already. And he's very confident in answering all the questions. And I think that's the very, what do you call that? The very, what do you call that one? I mean, that's what he got. So I do believe that he will win this pageant. And he really is. Yeah, he speaks from my heart. 100%.
Alright, thank you so much. Nakakita mo ka ano na, right? Pwede ko ka magina sa susunod na ano. That's really nice naman, okay?
Now we have question
Alright.
here from our viewers here from Mr. Albert San Jose.
Okay.
He said, "What qualities make you stand out from others?"
Oh, hindi pa tayo tapos dito. Okay, answer.
What qualities do I have that I make stand out?
From other candidates.
I believe I have the high advantage compared to the other candidates. And I believe I'm handsome in some ways, and I'm also handsome in my own heart. So that's why I believe those are the qualities that make me stand out compared to the other candidates.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, palakpakan. Alright. Meron pa ibang questions dyan.
Wala na. Pero I think we need to ask a message from his parents.
Oh,
Right?
my parents, okay. Alright, Miss Leonadel, tsaka si Sir, okay. Ito na lang, bago tayo okay, ano po, any message for your son?
Well, again, good evening. Thank you so much for coming. Well, we were very overwhelmed as a your support to our Onikulio, this race and journey to UICC. And of course, we're confident enough that he will be the time. We are playing it right now. And really, thank you so much, dear friends, for having your support. We're really a big help for everyone's journey on the finals day. Thank you so much, and we can protect and bless us tonight. Thank you.
Darating mo na, mag-break ka na.
Si Mami. Mami dito sa stage. Dito. 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 Mami dito, Mami. Doon po kayo sa harap. Sa harap po. Sa harap. Sa
Okay.
harap.
After Victoria, okay, picture tayo, okay. Okay.
Picture. And then lahat after.
Message ni Mami kay
Oh,
kay Jack.
Hello.
Good luck, and claim mo na yan.
Okay.
Ano pa?
As a pageantera, ano pong message mo kay ano?
Dapat mother like son.
Wow. Kailangan title holder din.
23.
Ang message ko lang, mother like son. Dapat meron kang crown and claim it. No, I don't want hopefully. No, not hopefully, claim it.
Same.
Again.
Thank you. I picture taking na po.
Okay, picture taking na tayo. Ano yung mga ano po? Okay? Sit down.
Picture taking.
Alright. Ayan.
Sino po yan?
Picture taking na.
Mama, lahatan na po kaya? Lahatan na po.
Sige po.
Okay, na tayo.
Kalatan na. Dali na.
Kamar,
Ano pa? Off na natin? Sige, off na natin. Tapos na rin naman.
Mamshi, let's go.
Kanina po ah.
Pa?